What's up guys? Papa Piggy is here. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat dyan mga kakoral. And today kasama ko ang aking
morning.
At ngayong araw na to pupunta tayo ng Baronski para tikman ang kanilang mga street food. Paglabas mo ng Asda, eto na yung bubungan.
Barbecue.
Authentic Texas barbecue. May pizza. Hindi ko alam, market day pala ngayon. Nakala ko mga pagkain lang talaga. Meron talaga naka-schedule na spring food festival dito sa Northwich. Kaya lang may entrance.
Oo,
parang
ganun
19, parang
ganun
19 pounds.
Sa Taton, ganun
Kaya
din
lang,
yung entrance.
lang yun.
Hindi kasama doon ang pagkain.
Pagkain mo pa sa loob. Medyo may kamahalan din dito sa totoo lang. Pero walang duda, maganda talaga yung food festival. Paano ang sarap niya niyo? Vine leaves.
Ba, hindi mo alam kung ano naman nasa loob.
Tanungin mo, ito parang sa mashed potato, feta cheese. O kaya masarap yun. Try kaya natin. Yung feta cheese ang loob. Asan yung ano dito? Oh, wala. Umalis ata. Umalis.
Alin?
Pinagbebenta. No, hindi yan yun. Nabilang ko na yun eh. Ayun, masarap to. Gusto kong itry kaya lang. Baklava naman, natikman na natin yan. Wala na akong cheese. Okay. Pinatry. Mild.
Ikaw this one night. Ikaw yung slice mo. What is this one?
Cheddar.
Ah, cheddar.
So it's 1 for 6 or 2 for 10.
Harap nga ito.
Matalo siya lang.
Very well indeed. Thank you.
Can we have this one please?
So again, yeah.
Yeah.
1 or 2?
Only one.
Only one.
Yeah.
There you go.
Pasaban extra mature cheddar. So, yun.
Ito, hindi na natikman pa.
Babayad na ako.
Happy days.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Sarap talaga yung cheddar. Yung sarap niya nasa huli, no?
Oo.
May
Parang flavor. Hindi siya katulad ng
parang
cheddar
delay
cheese.
yung ano, delay yung flavor niya sa huli, may aftertaste. Masarap siya. Yeah.
Just one traditional, sir, yeah?
Yeah, please. Sito right card.
Sorry?
Sito right, yeah, card. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, well, good. Lovely. Okay. Enjoy, sir. Thank you. Hello, my love. You all right there?
Biscuit. Oo.
Sorry.
Then the other one is cinnamon.
Yung feeling niya, look. Talagang marami siya. Kahit na medyo may kamahal, hindi katulad na nabibili natin sa mga big giant bakery o supermarket. Ibang iba siya.
Marami siyang itlog.
Marami siyang itlog. Marami? Oo, ayan ano. Last bite. How is it?
Ano siya?
Hmm?
Mild
Mild
lang siya. Mild lang.
Alin ang gusto mong cheese yan o isa-isa? Mild kasi ito. Yan mo, manghang.
Mahang ba ito? Hindi ko kita.
Tingnan mo, itry mo. Ano to? Mga cake niyo. Si Kiara kaya?
Ha?
Si Kiara, ibili mo. Ano? Sige, mamaya daw balik tayo. Ito yung binila natin, at tanda mo. The same din ba?
Alin yun?
Ha?
Hindi ko alam. Pero, hindi
Ito, nabila na rin natin ito last time eh, di ba? Taste of Cornwall. Ooh, look at that bread. Parang sarap na na yun. Ano nga to? Ano yan ito? Ah, cheese and onion. Kaso ako naman ng onion. Ito naman sa tapat lang ng mga stall. Dito merong meat shop. Dami mga pie.
Kebab dog.
Yeah. One.
Pay by card.
Yeah, please.
Take that out.
Thank you very much
Thank you.
indeed. Thank you.
First bite. Kebab dog ang tawag nila, 3 pounds. Dapat dito.
Mainit.
Medyo spicy. Can I have this cheesecake donut please?
You can indeed,
Yeah, only
sir.
one.
Absolutely. Just the one?
Yeah, only one.
Absolutely.
Just for my daughter. Yeah,
I tell you what. You must be famous. I don't know how many followers. I don't care.
Thank you very much.
On the house.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Famous.
Yeah.
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Jonathan
Yeah.
from Cheshire Scriptures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you can ask my customers. I do
Yeah.
that for all of my customers.
Oh, thanks for that.
Occasionally.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
See the amount there. It should go
Thank
through any
you.
size.
See you, mate.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Right, folks, can I help you at all?
Right. Jonathan gave us one free donut. He recognized us kasi last month galing ako dyan sa kanya and pinicture ko rin yung product niya. So this time I get free one donut. Thanks for you, Jonathan. Bili naman natin yung panganay ko. Can we have that please? Red velvet please. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Try naman natin yung mga pagkain dito. Gusto mo ng pizza? Chicken chorizo or cheesy garlic bread? Huh? Can we have this chicken and chorizo please? How long will it take, mate?
It will be about 4 minutes.
Right, okay. Ooh, look at that. Open.
Yes, please.
It's a lovely day again, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Have you done your shopping yet?
No, actually, just came here for the
For the food
For the
first.
food,
I
yeah.
see. You have been here before, haven't you? This market.
Yeah, we quite often come here, but yeah.
Yeah, this is our second time here.
Oh, is it?
But we like it here very much.
Oh, yeah. We wish. Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Nice.
Nice.
First bite.
No, that's just the size we are.
Nice. Sarap yung dumpling nila. Rowana, you want some? Come on, get. Come on. Oh, this is too much for us. Come on. Ooh, mangag.
Nights na lang tagaan na ngayon. Hindi ka nagda-days. Hindi. Nights lang. Ikaw baron na, nung pa sa ano? Gustuhin ko man. Home shopping?
Wala na ako doon.
Saan ka na?
Dito lang sa Table House.
Sarap yung pizza nila.
Natikman ko na yan. Sa Tiban last, tikman natin.
Lang.
Uy, barko ka pa rin ba?
Nasira na yung wrapper.
Ano po kunti yata?
Sarap talaga ng dumpling nila, ano? Huh?
Kaya ka na,
Hindi, okay lang. Masarap yung kanilang chicken na chorizo pizza. Pero mas type ko talaga itong dumpling.
toilet, bar lang.
Naiwan yung toilet. Pero okay lang.
Doon, saka may bubble tea doon, nabibili. Pilipino may-ari.
Oh, ganun.
Oo.
Hindi ko pa nararating yan.
Layo eh.
Malayo eh.
Usually yung mga Pilipino sa Pilipinas ayaw maaarawan, pero kami dito sa UK kahit dito sa arawan kumakain kami.
Of course. Pumunta ka rito,
Ito ang araw dito.
may dalang payong, ba't